Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with this question, the question number 9 of exercise 12.3. Question is this: in the given figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other. This is a circle with center O. It has two diameters AB and CD, and both are perpendicular to each other. दोनों क्या हैं? परपेंडिकुलर हैं. बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. इज इट ओके? And OD is the diameter of smaller circle. This OD is the diameter of smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of shaded region. This OA is given 7 centimeter. This is the radius. It means this will also be 7 centimeter. This OC will also be 7 centimeter, and this diameter OD will also 7 centimeter. Okay, given है OA is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. They will also be 7 centimeter. Now AB. What is the length of AB? That will be AO plus BO. That is 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. That is 14 centimeter. Since AB perpendicular to CD, this AB is perpendicular to CD. It means this OC will be perpendicular to AB. OC will be perpendicular to AB. Now the area of the triangle ABC. Area of this triangle ABC, that will be half. This is the base for this triangle AB, and the perpendicular is OC. So half AB into OC. Half AB into OC. 1 upon 2. AB is 14 and this is 7. So 2 7 ja and 7 7 ja 49 centimeter square. So what is the area of triangle ABC? That is 49 centimeter square. Now area of the semicircle ABC. Area of the semicircle ABC, that will be pi r square upon 2 or 1 upon 2 pi r square. What is the radius here? 7 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into 7 square. So this 2 into 11, 11 upon 7 into 7 square. 7 square is 49, 11 upon 7, 7 7 ja. Okay, so 11 into 7 is 77 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this semicircle ABC? That is 77 centimeter square. Now the next thing, area of this circle whose diameter is OD. Area of the circle having diameter OD, which is 7 centimeter, that will be pi r square. If the diameter is 7 centimeter, then its radius will be 7 upon 2 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this? Pi is pi and r will be 7 upon 2 whole square. That is 22 upon 7. 7 square is 49 upon 4. So this is 22 into 7 upon 4, because 7 7 ja 49. So now you can divide this by 2. 2 into 11 and 2 2 ja 4. 11 upon 2 into 7. That is 77 upon 2 centimeter square. So what is the area of this? 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Okay. Now the area of the shaded region. So what will be the area of the shaded region? This is the shaded region. First, area of semicircle ABC minus area of triangle ABC plus area of this circle having diameter OD. So what will be the area of the shaded region? Area of semicircle ABC minus area of triangle ABC plus area of the circle having OD as a diameter. So this was 77, this was minus 49, and this was 77 upon 2. So 77 minus 49 is 28 plus 77 upon 2. 77 upon 2 is 38.5. When you will add them, you will get 66.5 centimeter square. So what is the area of the shaded region? That is 66.5 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now this is question number 10. You are given the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. Given है कि area of the equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. So suppose let the side of the triangle is x. क्या साइड है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल की? x. एंड द एरिया ऑफ द इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इज गिवन बाय √3/4 into side square, and side is taken as x. So this will be √3/4 into x square will be equal to 17320.5. Therefore x square will be, this 4 will multiplied here and √3 will divide. So x square will be equal to 4 into 17320.5 divided by √3, and √3 is given in the question 1.7325. So when you will solve this, when you will divide these two, you will get 10,000. So x square will be 4 into 10,000, that will be 40,000. Then x will be equal to square root of 40,000, then you will get 200 centimeter. So what is the side of equilateral triangle? That is 200 centimeter. Okay. Now radius of the circle drawn at each vertex of the triangle ABC. If these circles are drawn, okay, and question is this: with each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to the half the length of the side of triangle. जो radius of the circles हैं, these circles, that is half of the radius of the side of triangle. So what will the radius of this? R is equal to 200 of the side of triangle and divided by 2, which is 100 centimeter. So what will be the radius of circle drawn at each vertex of the triangle? That is 200/2 is equal to 100 centimeter. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore all these three angles will be equal to 60 degree. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है, इसलिए सारे एंगल क्या हो जाएंगे आपके 60 डिग्री. ओके. और अब क्या बन गया यहाँ पे आपका एक सेक्टर बन गया 60 डिग्री का और रेडियस 100 सेंटीमीटर का. यहाँ पर भी 100 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस और 60 डिग्री का सेक्टर बन गया. और यहाँ पर भी वर्टेक्स सी पे 100 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस एंड 60 डिग्री एंगल का सेक्टर बन गया. नाउ एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर फॉर्म्ड एट ईच वर्टेक्स ऑफ द रेडियस is equal to 100 centimeter and sector angle 60 degree. So that will be given by θ/360 into pi r square. Pi is mentioned in this question 3.14. Pi कितना given है? 3.14. Just put the value. Theta is 60/360 into 3.14 is the value of pi into 100 square. That is 1/6 into 3.14 into 10,000. When you will multiply them, you will get 31,400/6, that is 31400/6 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now this is the area of one sector and there are three sectors, first, second, third. Each sector have the radius 100 centimeter and sector angle 60 degree. So therefore area of all the three sectors will be 3 into this area. So you will get 3 into 4, 3 into 31400/6, 3 2 is 6, and 31400/2. When you will divide this, you will get 15700 centimeter square. So what will the area of all these three sectors? That will be 15700. इन सब का एरिया कितना आ गया? 15700 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region, that will be, now just look, what will be the area of shaded region? This will be area of triangle ABC minus area of these three sectors. So area of the shaded region will be area of triangle ABC minus area of three sectors. So that is 17320.5. It is given the area of equilateral triangle here, and minus 15,700. This is the area of 3 sectors. When you will divide this, you will get 1620.5 centimeter square. Now this is question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs each of radius 7 centimeter are made. ये कोई आपका स्क्वायरिश हैंकरचीफ है ABCD. इसमें जो है 9 सर्कुलर डिजाइन बनाए गए हैं जिनकी रेडियस कितनी है 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दीज आर डिजाइंस देयर. तो क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन ऑफ द हैंकरचीफ. आपको वो एरिया निकालना है अब जिसमें कि जो है डिजाइन नहीं बनाए गए हैं, रिमेनिंग पोर्शन. तो फर्स्ट वन कि रेडियस ऑफ वन सर्कुलर डिजाइन, radius of one circular design, this is R. This R is given how much? 7 centimeter. Then area of one design will be pi R square, यानी 22/7 into 7 square, that is 154 centimeter square. And the total designs are 9. Therefore, the area of 9 circular designs will be 9 into 154. 9 into 154. So you will get 1386 centimeter square. Now question is this, कि what will be the side of square ABCD? So just look here. This radius is given how much? 7 centimeter. So this will be also 7. This will be also 7. This will be also 7. From here to here this will be 7 and this will be also 7. Okay. So what will be the total length of this? 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 6 times 7, that is 42 centimeter. So therefore the side of the square will be this one, 42 centimeter square. And now the area of the square will be given by side square. So that will be 42 square. So when you will multiply this, you will get 1764 centimeter square. Now question is this, कि what is the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. वो जो आपका रुमाल है हैंकरचीफ उसका रिमेनिंग एरिया कितना होगा? तो दैट विल बी दिस वन, द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ 9 सर्कुलर डिजाइंस. तो व्हेन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट देम वी विल गेट 378 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 378 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इज इट ओके? नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. कि in the figure OACB is a quadrant of circle with center O. This is a quadrant of circle. This is the quadrant of circle. Is it okay? OACB. If it is quadrant, it means this angle will be 90 degree. What will be the sector angle for this? That is 90 degree. Okay, with center O. O is the center of quadrant. O is the center of quadrant. Question is this, and the radius is 3.5 centimeter. What is the radius of quadrant R? It is given 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, this OD is given 2 centimeter. The question is this, find the area of the quadrant OACB. This OACB, area of this quadrant, and the second one is find the area of shaded region. So this is the shaded region. Is it okay? So this you have to find. The first part of the question is this, कि find the area of the quadrant. So what is the radius of the quadrant OACB? That is 3.5 centimeter. Now area of the quadrant is given by 90/360 into pi r square. So pi is 22/7 into 3.5 square. This will be 1/4 into 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5. This is 12.25. Now divide. This is 2 to the 4 and 2 into 11. 11/2 and 7 to divide करो 1.75. This will be 11 into 1.75 divided by 2. Multiply both numbers by with 4. So you will get 11 into 1.75 multiply with 4 and in the denominator also multiply with 4. 4 से जो है न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो व्हाट वी विल गेट 1.75 into 4 which is 7. So 11 into 7 is 77 and 2 4 the 8, that is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Okay, so what will be the area of the quadrant? That is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Second part is कि find the shaded region, find the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. Area of this shaded region will be given by area of this whole quadrant minus area of this triangle. Area of triangle OBD. So what will be the area of triangle OBD? Here is the base is given 3.5 and height is 2. The area of triangle is given by 1 upon 2 base into height. So this is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 3.5. It will get 3.5 centimeter square. So what will be the area of triangle OBD? That is 3.5 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region, this will be this total area of the quadrant, which is 77 upon 8 minus area of this triangle, which is 3.5. Now take the LCM. Here is nothing, here is 1. You will multiply there 8 into 3.5. You will get 28. So 77 minus 28 upon 8. When you will subtract this, you will get 49 upon 8 centimeter square. So what is the area of shaded region? That is 49 upon 8 centimeter square. Now this is question number 13. कि in the figure I square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. कोई quadrant है OPBQ. This is the quadrant. Which one? OPBQ. This one. इसके अंदर कोई स्क्वायर इंस्क्राइब्ड है, दैट इज OABC. आगे है इफ OA इज इक्वल टू 20 सेंटीमीटर, व्हाट इज द साइड ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर? OA 20 सेंटीमीटर. देयरफॉर दिस AB will also 20 सेंटीमीटर, BC will also 20 सेंटीमीटर and OC will also 20 सेंटीमीटर. Is it okay? The question is this: find the area of the shaded region. This area you have to find. This shaded region you have to find. Is it okay? So now side of the square is given 20 centimeter, which is OA. इसलिए area of the square will be OABC. Where is the square? OABC. That will be side square. 20 square, that is 400 centimeter square. Now for the calculation of डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर, अगर मैं जो है इसका डायगोनल निकालना चाहूँ तो फॉर दिस आई एम यूजिंग दिस ट्राइंगल OAB. ओके, तो इन ट्राइंगल OAB जस्ट लुक OB इज द हाइपोटेनियस. तो हाइपोटेनियस दिस OB स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू OA स्क्वायर प्लस AB स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर OB विल बी अंडर रूट OA स्क्वायर प्लस AB स्क्वायर. तो दैट इज 20 स्क्वायर प्लस 20 स्क्वायर. OB you will get 20 square is 400 plus 20 square is 400. 400 plus 400, 800. This 800 can be broken as 400 into 2. 400 square root is 20, 20 under root 2. So what is the length of the diagonal of the square OB? That is 20 under root 2. Now just look, this OB is also the radius of the quadrant. Is it not? This OB is the radius of the quadrant. So now radius of the quadrant of the circle R will be 20 under root 2, which will be equal to the diagonal of the square. So now the area of the quadrant OPBQ, that will be, quadrant is there, 90 degree segment is there, 90 degree upon 360 into pi is given 3.14 into 20 under root 2 square. 90 upon 360, 1 upon 4 into 3.14, this 20 under root 2 square is 800. When you will solve this, 2 into 200 and this will be 628 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region, that will be area of quadrant, this quadrant minus area of square. So what is the area of quadrant? That is 628 centimeter square minus area of the square is 400. So when you will subtract this, you will get this one, 228 centimeter square. 228 centimeter square. Okay. So what is the area of the shaded region? That is 228 centimeter square. Now this is question number 15. Question number 15. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle. ABC is a quadrant of a circle. So just look there. This is ABC. This is ABC. This is the quadrant of the circle. Is it okay? This angle will be 90. So in the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. What is the radius of this quadrant? 14 centimeter. Okay. That is AC is equal to 14 and AB is also 14. So now what will the area of this quadrant? The area of the quadrant will be 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 14 square. So this is 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7. 14 square is 196. Now just divide by this 7. 7 to the 14 or 7 8. This will be this. So 4 into 7. And if 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeter square. Whose area is this? Area of the quadrant is 154 centimeter square. Is it there? Now, area of the triangle ABC. This is the area of triangle ABC, half into this base AC into AB. That is half into AC into AB. That is half 14 into 14. So 2 into 7, 14, 14 7 is 98 centimeter square. 98 centimeter square. Now suppose this region, this one from here to here, this whole region which I have mentioned here X. What will be the area of this region X? Area of the region X, that will be area of the quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. So what is the area of the quadrant? That is 154 centimeter square minus 98. You will get 56 centimeter square. What is the area of this region? That is 56 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now question is this. A semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. This one. This is the semicircle drawn here with BC as a diameter. This is drawn. So now tell me, what will be the radius of this semicircle? That will be BC upon 2. BC upon 2. So first we will find BC. Just look at this triangle. Again this ABC is a right angle triangle. We can use this Pythagoras theorem. So what will be the length of BC? That will be under root 14 square plus under root 14 square. You will get 14 under root 2. जैसे यहाँ पे निकाला है, ठीक है? You will get 14 under root 2. So therefore radius of the semicircle whose diameter is BC. इसको मैं किससे दिखा रहा हूँ? Letter capital R. तो capital R will be this 14 under root 2 divided by 2. That is 7 under root 2. So what is the radius of this semicircle? That is 7 under root 2 centimeter. Area of the semicircle of diameter BC. Okay, that will be 1 upon 2 pi r square. R is 7 under root 2. So what will be the area now? 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 under root 2 whole square. That is 2 into 11. 11 upon 7 it is 7 under root 2 multiplied with 7 under root 2. This will be 11 upon 7. 7 7 is 49 and under root 2 and under root 2 will become 2. Now this 7 into 7. 7 to the 14 into 11, 154 centimeter square. Question was this, कि find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. So what is the area of shaded region? That will be area of this semicircle whose diameter is BC minus this area which is marked by capital letter X. Capital letter X. So now the area of the shaded region will be area of semicircle minus area of the region X. So what will be the area of this one? 154 was the area of semicircle minus region X का area कितना था? 56. When you will subtract, you will get 98 centimeter square. So what will be the area of this shaded region? That is 154 minus 56, and that will become 98 centimeter square. Now this is last question of this exercise. That is question number 16. Question is this, calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of the radius 8 centimeter each. Okay, this you are given. What is the radius of the quadrant? That is 8 centimeter each. Okay, so this is the first quadrant. This one, and another one is from here. This one. Okay. So you have to find the area of this, find the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 8 centimeter each. Okay, how much is this angle? 90 degree. How much is this angle? 90 degree. Okay, you have to find this area. This area you have to find in this question. Okay. Now just look here. Suppose this region, the name of this region is X. Okay. This region is Y and this region is Z. Okay, so now you are given radius of quadrant, that is given 8 centimeter. Therefore, area of this one, this ADB, area of quadrant ADB, this will be given by, is it not, y plus x? Y plus x or not? And also the area of this quadrant, and also the area of quadrant ADB will be, area of quadrant is given by 90 upon 360 into pi. Pi is given in this question, there is no mentioning. So that is 22 upon 7 into r square, that is this one. 19 upon 360 means 90 1 ja 90 upon 4, 91 ja 94 ja, and this is 22 upon 7, and this 8 square is 64. Now solve it. 4 into 16, so 22 into 16 upon 7. Okay, when you will multiply this, so this will be 16 to the 32, or 16 to the 32 and the 352 upon 7 centimeter square. What area is this? Area of the quadrant ADB, which is y plus x. So therefore, this y plus x is how much? 352 upon 7 centimeter square. This is equation number 1. Okay, now similarly, the area of the quadrant BCD, area of the quadrant BCD. Similarly, the area of the quadrant BCD. What will be this area? Just look, x plus z, x plus z. Okay, and also the area of quadrant BCD will be given by, again, 90 upon 360 into pi is there, r is also there, again same radius is there. How much? 8 square. Okay, again it is given that this is the another quadrant of radius 8 centimeter. So same calculation is there, 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 8 square. What you will get? Same thing, 352 upon 7 centimeter square. So therefore, what will happen? What value is this? X plus z. X plus z is again 352 upon 7 centimeter square. Is it okay? Now just look at this figure. This one. This is also the quadrant 90 degree. It is also 90 degree. Okay. Then, and this is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. It means this ABCD is what? ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Now, area of the square, which one? ABCD, that will be given with side square. Side square is how much? 8 square, which is 64 centimeter square. What will be the area of this square ABCD? That is 8 square. And also the area of this, and also the area of square Just look here. And also the area of the square. What will be this area? Just look here. Y plus x plus z. This is the whole area of the square. That is y plus x plus z. Okay. So therefore, what you are given? Y plus x plus z. That is given how much? 64 centimeter square. Is it there? Question was this कि calculate the area of the designed region in the figure. तो designed region कौन सा है मेरा? ये वाला x वाला. मेरे को x ही निकालना है. We have here these three equations. This one and this one and this one. Now just look here. Adding 1 and 2. Adding first and second. So now just look what will happen. This is y plus x, and what is the another equation? X plus z. X plus z. Okay, this is the equation 1. So left hand side, and this is the left hand side of second equation, and the right hand side will be 352 upon 7 plus 352 upon 7. Just solve it. 2 and 2 4. This is 704 upon 7. 704 upon 7 centimeter square. Now just look here. This is y plus x plus x plus z. Can we write this in this way? Y plus x plus z, this together, and plus x. This is how much? 704 upon 7. Okay. From equation 3, y plus x plus z is 64. What is the value of y plus x plus z is? 64 plus x is equal to how much? 704 upon 7. From here we can find x. What is the value of x? 704 upon 7 minus 64. You will get 704 minus 7 4 ja 28, 42, 7 6 ja 42, and 2 4 4 8 upon 7. Just subtract it. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And this is 6 minus 4 is 2. Again just check here. 6 and then 14, 5 and 4 and 9, 10, 5, and this is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. What is the answer? 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So what is our shaded region? This one, this common area. X we have to find, and we got the x. So what is the answer? 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you very much.